Hello, students. Welcome back. Let us continue with the chapter. Before that, let us have a quick recap of what we have studied yesterday. As we have seen yesterday, that Raman was an 11-year-old boy who had to go to school every day. He had to cover up a long distance to reach and to come back from his school, due to which he felt very tired every day. But he used to avoid all that pains and tiredness. And to change his mind, he tried to enjoy and feel everything present around him. Now, let us continue with the chapter. At the weekend before his birthday, he requested his father to buy him a bicycle. He said that it would not only save his time to go to school but also help him run errands for his mother. Now, see the explanation. A week before his birthday, Raman requested or pleaded his father to purchase him a bicycle. At the same time, he told his father all the benefits of a bicycle, such as it would save his lot of time as well as he could help his mother to bring something quickly from the market if she needed. बर्थडे से एक हफ्ते पहले उसने अपने पापा से रिक्वेस्ट की एक साइकिल के लिए। उसने कहा कि ये सिर्फ इससे ना केवल समय की बचत होगी बल्कि वो स्कूल से आने जाने में भी सुविधा होगी और साथ ही वो माँ की किसी भी ज़रूरत को वो जल्दी से मार्केट से ला सकता है। नाउ सी द मीनिंग ऑफ इरेंट्स. Errands means a short journey to take something for somebody. Now see the second paragraph. I will definitely try and get one for you, his father promised. Raman felt so happy that he told all his friends about the gift he was about to get. Each of his friends fixed up days on which they would ride with Raman. To that, his father replied him in a positive way and promised him that he will try his best to get a bicycle for him. Raman became so happy and informed about the same to all his friends, means about the gift he was going to receive. His friends were also so happy for him and they asked him to give them a ride on his bicycle. They even have decided on which day who will go on riding with Raman. रमन के पापा ने रमन से प्रॉमिस किया कि वो निश्चित रूप से उसको साइकिल दिलाएंगे। ये बात सुनकर रमन काफ़ी खुश हुआ और उसने ये बात अपने दोस्तों से भी बताई कि उसे उसके बर्थडे पे क्या गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है। ये बात सुनकर उसके दोस्त भी बहुत ही खुश हुए और सभी दोस्तों ने यहाँ तक ये फिक्स कर लिया कि किस दिन कौन उसकी साइकिल पे सवारी करेगा। His birthday finally arrived. When he woke up, he found his mother and father standing next to his bed. He saw a beautiful gift wrapped nicely in his father's hand. Finally, it was his birthday. As he woke up, his parents were standing right beside his bed with a beautiful packed gift in his father's hand. He was happy seeing them. उसका बर्थडे आया और जब वो सोकर उठा उसने देखा उसके मम्मी पापा उसके बिस्तर के पास खड़े हैं और उसने देखा कि उसके पापा के हाथ में एक बहुत ही सुंदर पैक किया हुआ गिफ्ट है। His father gave him the gift. Raman found a pair of shoes in it. Although He was a little unhappy because he did not get a bicycle. He thanked his father. See the explanation. Then his parents wished him happy birthday and his father gave him the gift. Raman quickly opened the gift to see what was inside it and found a pair of shoes. He was not very happy seeing the gift as he wanted a bicycle. But as a good child, he nicely thanked his father for bringing the gift. उसके पापा ने उसे वो गिफ्ट दिया. रमन ने उसमें देखा कि शूज़ था. यद्यपि वो उस गिफ्ट से को देखकर खुश नहीं हुआ क्योंकि उसे साइकिल चाहिए थी, परंतु फिर भी उसने अपने पापा को उस गिफ्ट के लिए धन्यवाद दिया. थैंक यू. एंड डियर स्टूडेंट, सी the page and read it twice and try to understand the meaning. Okay, and the word meaning that I have given inside in this video, you have to write and learn this one. Okay, thank you.